To get a Monzo QR code, you need to have a Monzo account and the Monzo app installed on your smartphone. First, open the Monzo app and log into your account using your username and password or fingerprint recognition. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account section of the app, usually represented by a profile picture or a gear icon. In the Settings section, look for the option that says Payment Methods or Account Details, and select it. This will take you to a page where you can view your account information, including your account number and sort code. Scroll down to the section that says QR code or Payment QR code, and select the option to generate or view your QR code. The Monzo app will then generate a unique QR code linked to your account, which you can use to receive payments from friends or family, or to pay for goods and services at participating merchants. You can also add a payment request to your QR code, specifying the amount you want to receive and a brief description of the payment. To share your QR code, you can take a screenshot of it and send it to the person making the payment. Or you can use the Monzo app to send the QR code directly to their phone via email or messaging app. When someone scans your QR code, they will be taken to a payment page where they can enter the amount they want to pay and confirm the transaction. It is essential to keep your QR code secure and only share it with trusted individuals, as anyone with access to your QR code can make payments to your account. You should also be cautious when using your QR code to make payments, and only use it at reputable merchants or with trusted individuals.